It is time for another proper tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. And today, y'all, we are absolutely at my stomping grounds in FRISCO, Texas. Shout out to FRISCO, Texas, favorite city in DFW. And let's head in for this home tour, y'all. If you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button and give me that thumbs up to join the YouTube America's Realtor family. And as always, if you're interested in moving to the DFW Metroplex, or if you already live here, or if you need to sell a home, please visit my website at www.alexpmaloney.com or fill out an inquiry form in the description below, or head over to my TikTok or Instagram, give me that follow, and then fill out the inquiry form. One or the other. And one of our team members will be with you shortly to help find your dream home. Look at this, y'all. This is an awesome built-in fridge. Fully custom wood paneling. Gas stove. Love these countertops and backsplash. Super modern, guys. Love this one. So, the address to this beautiful home is 6657 Saxony Court in FRISCO, Texas, zip code 75034. And the asking price is $1,670,000. This is 5 beds, 7 baths. So for the baths, that's 5 full baths, 2 half baths, which equals 7 because I count the half bath as a full bath now. 2-car garage. 4,321 square feet. In new construction, 2023 is when the slab was poured. And it is 0.158 of an acre. And the HOA dues are $2,450 annually. And this is a fully gated community, zoned to FRISCO ISD, Wright Elementary, Stalley Middle, and FRISCO High School. And I want to give a shout out to Anita Adair for letting us in this beautiful property to tour it. She is the listing agent. And this is an absolutely exquisite home, y'all. Love this. Super elegant. Modern warmth. All these high-end finishes. And I love the open floor plan. Floor to ceiling. Gas fireplace. Modern double doors. And here's the guest suite. Stand-up shower. Single vanity. Upgraded countertops. And a walk-in closet. And this location, y'all, is absolutely phenomenal. It is on Stonebrook and the DNT. So easy access to the tollway to go anywhere in the DFW Metroplex. It's literally like walking distance to the tollway. It's so close. So jealous of that location. And we have your office with a little extension right there. Put a nice TV on the wall with a closet. Super rare in the offices nowadays, guys, to have that office closet have the oversized laundry room with the farm sink. There's your plugins. And it has a little study area. So for all you young scholars out there trying to earn that scholarship to a great university, this home is for you. Nice, modern, updated half bath. Mud room. And the garage. Epoxy flooring. So it's a little bigger than your standard garage for sure. Your 20 by 20 standard. Definitely has an extension to it. Love the hardwood flooring here. Got a little closet here for your jackets, coat closet, and another closet. We can call that the his and hers coat closets. We are heading upstairs to the game room, wet bar, media room, and some bedrooms. So I'm going to cue the music, let y'all enjoy the rest of this property tour, and I will see y'all on the next one.
Shooting star in the sky, comes to hope in your eyes.